How to log in to Cryptoguru application. Hi everyone, welcome back to Trading for Beginners. If you're trying to access your existing Cryptoguru account, then the process is quite easy. First of all, launch open the Cryptoguru app on your device. Click the continue button until you reach this main lobby screen. From here, go to the top left corner and tap on the gear button. Now, from the settings menu, tap on sign in. On the next page, in the sign in area, you'll need to enter your email address at the top of the screen. Make sure you enter your valid email address that you previously registered with. Once done, go to the next field and type in your correct password. If you don't remember the password, tap on the forgot password link and follow through the password reset process. While typing down your password, make sure you're typing the correct one and tap on sign in from the bottom. And there you have successfully logged into your existing Cryptoguru account. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will see you again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.